Hey everyone, today I'm back with another interesting video. I'm Shashwat and I'm doing something insane today. I'm building 5 custom GPTs in 1 hour. This GPT can build resumes, create logos, plan your studies, and even validate startup ideas, and you can use them for free. So let us start building one by one. So the first GPT we are building is Resume Builder, and obviously I've shown you in the previous video, we will be taking some help from the ChatGPT itself to build this own custom GPTs of ours. Okay, so let's first build this Resume Builder GPT, and you're familiar with this interface. You can just click on create to create your own custom GPT. Here you will get a configuration options like your name, the description of that GPT, and all of them. You can just paste it there. You can just tell it to, I am gonna build a resume builder AI GPT with exportable resume. Fill this out. It will give you the details of what to fill in what portion of the resume or the resume builder AI. So you can just minimize the time consumed to just create the custom GPT. You can just wait and ChatGPT will give you all the results, like whatever you need to enter into this fields. So yeah, in the name we can just enter resume builder. Let's say we can say it as GPT, resume builder GPT. So the first one, it's a description I have to give. Okay, so it's a smart professional resume building assistant that creates ATS friendly. ATS, as you all know, that the companies nowadays, they don't hire by manually checking stuffs. They only like put an ATS layer in between the HR and the candidate, so that after the candidate uploads his or her resume, it will go through that ATS check, and it will automatically detect what his qualifications are and is he suitable to this particular role which he applied for. And after that, all those validations, you can just go to that resume will be passed to the HR for further evaluation. So ATS is like a firewall in between you and the HR you are applying for. So it's like we have to make it a resume, AI friendly resume, ATS friendly resume, so that it passes the ATS checks. Like it actually goes to the HR. So we're giving the instructions like this as it is given here. Okay. Yeah. So the conversation starters, this basically tells our custom GPT or the resume GPT that this can be the like the text which the user will give to start a conversation. So you can just give your own starting texts. I'm giving it here as ChatGPT has suggested me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you can upload your knowledge base here, like your conversations and all. I can just select the GPT 5.1 model. Okay, so the recommended model I've chosen is GPT 5.1. Now the capabilities, you can just give all of those, like the code interpreter and data analysis, because like in building a resume, we need to analyze the data as well, which the user does. So you can just give this this resume and all, you can just give the data analysis part as well. So we have, I guess, filled up all the things here. Yeah, so all the things are filled up, and then let us just start create. Okay, so I'm just keeping it in the GPT store, as I've already told that you can just make it private. You can share it with your friends using anyone with only the link can open it, or you can just upload it to the GPT store. Everyone will be able to access and see your GPT. So I'm just storing it in the GPT store, and I will paste this particular GPT in the description as well. You can just use it to build your own resume. So let us click on create. We can wait for some time. It will take a very small amount of time to get created. Okay, so it has been successfully created. We have got the link for this GPT. We can get this link later as well. So I can just go to view GPT option. Okay, so now we are ready. Yeah. So let us upload a resume. Okay, and we will see how much nice it can make. Let us upload a resume. Say I'm uploading one resume I have built previously. Let us see. And I will click on this. It will take some time to analyze the resume and build our own. Okay, we have to confirm these 3 things, like what type of resume we want: creative, tech, minimalist, or modern professional. I want the style to be, say, I want the style to be modern but minimalist. It should target AI. I can say, since I'm a security guy who is like making all those videos of AI, but still I'm a cybersecurity guy. I can see that it should target the cybersecurity and SDE roles, right? Software development roles. And do you want me to rewrite the resume? No need to rewrite. Okay, yeah. So fine, we have answered all these questions. Let us build it. Okay. So it's taking all my details. I can just download. It's making a profile summary, the work experience, education and all. Okay. Projects, the achievements, the certifications. Okay. So it has built a proper resume style and I can download it in a PDF form or a Word document format. So if I download it in a PDF form, it will give me a resume like this. Fine, it's a good resume rather. Also, we can just, to edit our resume, we can go to this one. So this one, and I can change it to a docs file or a markdown file as well. So downloading as a docs will help us to edit it later. So I can just edit the docs. I don't think you will be able to see, but yeah. So a Word file can be edited, as you know. So I can edit it. Now next, we are trying to build another application, or you can say another GPT for us, which is Instagram caption generation GPT. So let us build another custom GPT for us, which is this. Okay, so we have got all the results from here. Let's say we have the name, the description, the instructions. So let us start building it. Let us go to this sidebar, then explore, then close the sidebar, then click on create. And our name of the GPT is Insta Caption Pro. We keep it as it is. Next, we give the description. A description can be provided by you as well. So give your own description which you like. Also, you can give like instruction, a cool instruction you can. Let's say I'm copying this thing and I forgot to paste the description. Okay. And the conversation starters are important because it will help the AI know, the GPT know that when you're starting that particular conversation. Okay. So this can be the conversation starter. There's 4 things. Okay. Just paste all of this. Removing the inverted commas. Final one is this. Okay, so successfully paste the conversation starters here. Now we could have uploaded the knowledge base and all if we have it from previous things. We can check the code interpreter and data analysis option, since this is also data analysis part, because we are just including like a good caption from whatever we have right now. So it's basically will analyze all the data, and now I think we have covered all the things here. We can just click on the create button. Let's say it's loading and we have got the create option, and we can just store it in the GPT store, just categorize it in the productivity, and we can save it. Let's see our GPT. This will actually help us to make captions. So we've got our GPT. We can just test it. Send me a photo and I will generate a perfect aesthetic captions for it. Okay. So let us use this particular thing and we can just copy this prompt. We can paste it here. We can upload a photo. Let's say I get a random photo from wherever I have, like this one. Let's say I give some ground photo, which looks like some futuristic background, and okay. So we have got the captions we can give it. Like, since it is a futuristic neon green tech code, digital energy, sci-fi aesthetic, this is the vibe which is being analyzed by ChatGPT. So it has suggested us 10 aesthetic caption options for this image. So we can give any one of them, and just we can choose this green energy, make it digital, lost in the glow, tech but make it iconic. So we can just use any of the captions. Let us give a social media type of image. Let us download one. Can get a lot of this. Okay, so yeah, so let us use this image, or rather to use some three images we can use. Okay, let us use this image. You can just copy this, paste it here, make a caption for this image. Yeah, so it's taking both of these images, let's say, because this is some web3 file, so it's not being able to assess the image. But say we are using this image. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can just make a professional like caption like social media, the world's biggest conversation. So we can get caption anything. So this is our second like custom GPT thing. So to build the third one, we already have the third one actually. I have previously showed you, we have this Entrepreneur Plus. This is the previous GPT we built. It's like if I want to check the business is scale or not, if I want to, like, let's say this can be used for entrepreneurs to validate their business ideas. Let's say they have a business idea and they want to solve a particular problem, whether it is scalable and repeatable is detected by our custom GPT, so that it can save time, it can save money, everything. Okay, so they can just invest it accordingly, whether they need to invest at this particular moment or not. They will just it will give a specific feedback on what to do right now, to like to go up with this idea or to just halt it for the moment. So let's say we have a business idea like making an online bakery. So the problem it solves is manual customer entry to bakeries, which makes the place chaotic. So our target users are customers who loves baked food. Also, we can say how do you plan to make money? So by selling items in bakery. Any competitors you already know? That's Cafe Coffee Day, or some other competitors like some coffee shops. Local ones are the competitors, and region we can say it's in Delhi NCR. So I've provided all the details which it wanted, but it still needs some clarifying questions. So the okay, so it has given us some suggestions like this one. Yeah, I need to solve all this. The pain level is 7. Is your goal to help local bakers sell online or to sell your own? Okay, it's a nice question. So let's make it general for all local bakeries. So building a platform for all local bakeries to understand, to like scale their product. Okay, so it is like giving us an option like what do we want? A SaaS means like a website or something like that, online ordering website. So let us build one. Okay, so it's now generating the full idea what it had understood, and competitors is like these all things which are available in Delhi NCR right now, and we are competing with them. So the market demand analysis is here, and the competition differentiation, indirect competitors, and all it has successfully placed it. It's like you can understand who are your competitors right now, and the market gaps which you can solve there, you can just get it from here. And the feasibility score, like all the problems which you are which you can face during the scaling up, you can just get it from here. Like the monetization clarity, does it need to be like in between something like 10 to 15 and you have 13 right now, which you give the prompt, it will understand like whether it's feasible or not. So yeah, so it's a feasible idea. It has given a final score. Monetization, it has given a subscription model, a transaction fee, or some hardware upsells. So these are something like the 30-day MVP roadmap, and you can just follow this to scale your business. And the final recommendation, as you can see, is like for the like a total summary of whatever you have, like whatever the custom GPT has suggested till now. You can just get a total summary of everything of that. Okay, so you can see that this is an entrepreneur plus. You can just use ChatGPT to make one. And next we can make another GPT, let's say for a study planner. Like it is very much used by students right now. So let us build it. So first, going to explore, then create. Okay, so study planner GPT. Let's say we are using ChatGPT to generate this one. Let's say we are generating a new chat. We are trying to build a custom GPT for this thing, and we need to fill up all these things. So let us just give a screenshot. So it will suggest as a name, the description and all like the previous thing. I can just give study planner GPT as the name. You have already understood like how to make all those things. Let us see how it works actually. So yeah, so in the name I already pasted. It's like the description. It creates personalized study schedules. Okay, so I've pasted under the description. The instructions I have to paste it here. Okay, and the conversation starters. So I have several conversation starters here. So I paste it here. Next I have 4 hours daily, make a schedule. Okay, take my syllabus into daily tasks, help me revise everything in the next 2 weeks. Okay, make a weekly timetable based on my 3 hours. Fine. So I have all those things, all these conversation starters here, which can solve several of my problems during studying, obviously. So we are making a recommended model 5.1 as we have did it before. We are clicking on code interpreter data analytics, and now we will create this GPT, create our study planner GPT. Let's click on create, and under GPT store we will put it under the education, right? Okay, so let us save this. Okay, we have got the GPT right now. We will click on view GPT and let us see how it works. Okay, let's see. I have 4 hours daily. Let's use this form. I have 4 hours daily, and I want to prepare for my GATE exams on 2025 based on aptitude and computer science questions. Plan accordingly all the topics on each day. The exam is on 4th Feb 2026. I need 10 days, 10 days of revision just before that. Let's paste it. Let us see what our study planner GPT gives. Okay, so the overall timeline now to 4th February, because we have in like 10 days for the February month. Okay, so the phase 1 is like foundation building, like core CS subjects, aptitude basics from May to July 2025, finish syllabus and all, the November and December full length corrections, etc. Now phase 4 we have final revision. In January we need to revise the full syllabus, and the last 10 days formula revision plus PYQs plus light mocks. So daily study structure has given it's 2 hours of CS core and 1.5 hours of practice plus PYQs, 0.5 hours of aptitude. Nice. And we have a detailed study plans like May we have to do this, June, July, August, September and October. It has given us idea for an entire year. So already we are now in the December period, so we can just tell it like from December to February I have only 2 months left, how can I prepare? So it will give you accordingly. You can just try it out. I will share the link in the description. And like let us do another GPT, the last one. actually nice one. So it's like a GPT for logo making. So making a logo is basically like very simple, but for a particular GPT to make, but you have to feed it with ideas for a long time. So like your taste, you can just enter it. Okay, so making your own test visible to ChatGPT, like from the next time it will create a logo which satisfies you, which like makes you like feel that yeah, I've made something which is very much like very much interesting. So I am building another custom GPT for logo, and let's say we can also along with it make something like a thumbnail generation. Okay. Let's see. So let us start building it by clicking on the explore, clicking on create. So the name of the GPT is logo and thumbnail generator GPT. The short description we have to give is here. Instructions, say all of these instructions, I will give it here. Conversation starters. Okay. I can also edit this custom GPTs later as well. Like if I want to enter another conversation starter which I have already not included right now, so I can just go back to this and I can just edit it using conversation starters and all. And the recommended model is GPT 5.1. You can just click on the code interpreter and data analytics, and we can just click on create. Okay. So we are storing it in the GPT store under DALI. Okay, fine. You can understand that this is being selected on its own. So it is basically understanding like what you want to build, and it's giving you a like you can say a proper format, like a proper field. It's understanding what your GPT is particularly doing and it's giving them. So let us make a YouTube thumbnail. Let us make a YouTube thumbnail for I built 5 agents, 5 let's say GPTs in under an hour. Let's see what it gives us. So it's getting the mood, the colors, the pace, the elements to include and all. So use some animation, characters, make it clickbait style, purple gradient with dark red pink, and elements to include, you can add elements on your own, and text you can make it as per yourself. Let's give it. Okay, so it has started to make the thumbnail for us. Let's see what it gives us. It will take some time, but between that I can just give you a basic thing of how to archive this one. You can just report any conversation, you can delete this GPT from here. Okay, so rather than that, you will get a share option. You can just share it to your friends. You can get the same link which I showed you previously, like while giving it to the store, you will get the same link. Okay, so since it's building right now something, so it's lagging a bit, so it's not an issue. You will get the link here. I'll show you after this. Let it generate, let it take the time to generate the image. Okay, also you can get this link from here as well. This is the thumbnail generator link. You can just open this one and you will get into this particular GPT, the custom GPT which I've built right now. So you can do both of them, you can do anyone which you want. So rather than that, yeah, so it's okay. So our thing is ready. So we have got this thumbnail design request. We can get this here. We can just copy this link, okay, from the share option. Now I built 5 GPTs in 1 hour. This logo is created. You can just edit it in Figma or Photoshop or anything you can. this is how you can build your own custom GPTs. You can just play with these things. You can just go through other models. You can just think whatever you want to build. Like let's say you can build your own custom presentation maker, anything that you want. So you can play with it. I'm just giving you a demonstration of how easy it is, how you can build this several GPTs in such a short time. And so yeah, so this is it for this video. I will come back with some very much interesting new videos, and I hope you can subscribe and like this video so that it reaches to more and more people. Thank you. Have a nice day.